Electric crowd here that has been eagerly waiting for this monogamous chase to begin. Extraordinary effort by the fielder, but the shot was unstoppable and reached the boundary. That was struck hard and flat. 4 runs all the way. Technical cricket at its best. That was a 6 the moment it left the bat. Tremendous shot. The ball just lands inside the boundary. 4 runs. Now that's... The ball has gone right into... Extraordinary effort by the fielder. Now that's a brilliant catch. Extraordinary effort by the fielder, but the shot was unstoppable. And that's it.
What a match!